Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable cream soup. First, gather your favorite fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and potatoes. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and peeled. Next, chop all your chosen vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Then, in a large pot, gently sauté your aromatics, such as finely diced onions and minced garlic, until they become wonderfully fragrant and translucent. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped vegetables to the pot. Stir them well to combine with the onions and garlic, letting them cook for about 5 minutes to soften slightly. Now, pour in approximately 4 cups of high-quality vegetable broth, ensuring all the vegetables are submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Season generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Allow the soup to simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the vegetables are fork tender. This ensures they will blend smoothly. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat. Stir in about 1/2 cup of rich, heavy cream. This is key to achieving that luxurious, creamy consistency. Finally, use an immersion blender directly in the pot to blend the soup until it is completely smooth and velvety. Your delicious vegetable cream soup is now ready to be served. Ladle it into warm bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or chives, or a sprinkle of crispy croutons. A small swirl of extra cream on top also adds a beautiful finish. Enjoy this comforting and nutritious meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.